Good morning. I hope you all slept well last night. I'm going to continue with words today, but first I'm going to read you a poem. It's called I'd Never Eat a Beet. Are you like that at home? Are there things you don't like to eat? Listen to the words when I read this to you. I'd never eat a beet because I could not stand the taste. I'd rather nibble drinking straws or fountain pens or paste. I'd eat a window curtain and perhaps a roller skate. But a beet, you may be certain, would be wasted on my plate. I would sooner chew on candles or the laces from my shoe or a dozen suitcase handles were I ever forced to choose. I would eat a ping pong paddle. I would eat a ping pong ball. I might even eat a saddle. But a beet? No, not at all. I would swallow talcum powder and my little rubber duck. I'd have doorknobs in my chowder. I would eat a hockey puck. I would eat my model rocket and the socks right off my feet. I would even eat my pocket, but I'd never eat a beet. That's strange, isn't it? Well, did you listen hard to those? There were a lot of words. Some of them rhymed, some of them didn't. I'm going to start with this word. Because. Because. How many syllables? 2, right? B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. I'm going to put it right there. Hello. Now I have a couple rhyming words. Very similar. Let's see. Curtain. C-U-R-T-A-I-N. Curtain. It is how many syllables? Let me hear. 2. Right. Very good. And the next one is certain. Sounds familiar. Let's see. They both begin with a C. A C-E and a C-U. Cur. Sir. You notice the C? Sir. Certain. Cur. Curtain. But they rhyme. Let's see what we got here. What's the next word? I have a couple of them. I'm looking for big words for you. Yesterday we did small words. Let's try it this way. Powder. P-O-W-D-E-R. And chowder. C-H-O-W-D-E-R. Powder, chowder. They end the same. D-E-R. See? D-E-R. 2 syllables. Chow, pow. They rhyme as well. Let's put those up here. Boop. And I have a word, a single word. Pocket. Does it sound like something else? What other word do they use in there? Pocket, rocket. Similar, except 1 letter difference. We have a P here, and rocket has an R in it. You got it? So, 2 syllable words. You can practice writing them. Curtain. Let's bring it up. Certain. Where is it? There it is. It's hard for Mr. Bob to grab those. powder, chowder. What else do I have? We have colors as well today. I have the word green. I think you guys could have figured that one out. Green. Green. Can you sound it? Green. I have the word blue. B-L-U-E. Can you sound it? Blue. Another color. Yellow. Can you hear the word? Yellow. Can you sound out that word? Yellow. Then you can practice writing that word. Y-E-L-L-O-W. And I have one more color. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Let me hear you. Brown. Cool word. All of them had how many syllables? 1, except for yellow. 2 syllables. Splits at the L. Where can we go with that? Let's see. We can practice. Practice, 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 practice. That's what we do. Look at the book. Look at one of your books and try to spot the words that we've said today. I'm sure you can find a book that has it. Practice writing them. You can use markers. You can use crayons. You can use pencils. You can air write it. G, R, E, E, and an N. How was that? Could you see that? I could, and I did it backwards. Practice again, and I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. And we'll talk then, and we'll figure out what we're going to do for next week. I think we might do art. Maybe we'll do something together. Together on Zoom. How's that sound? Okay. You have a nice day. It's going to be rainy today. So if it's not raining now, get outside. If it is later, if you like being in the rain, get outside. Okay. Take care. Miss you.